a mountain where the speed of time changes. On Mount Kailash, human hair and nails grow rapidly. What is the truth? In 1999, a Russian doctor set out toward one of the most mysterious mountains on Earth. His name was Ernst Moldashev, and his destination was Mount Kailash. This was not an ordinary expedition, but a search for hidden mysteries. Weeks later, when he returned to Russia, the world was left stunned. Moldashev claimed that Mount Kailash alters the laws of time. He said 4 Siberian climbers aged rapidly there and later died. This story spread rapidly across the world. Some people claimed hair and nails grow faster near Kailash. Some even said the mountain is hollow from the inside. But the real question is, what is the truth? Let's first look at the location of Mount Kailash. The mountain lies in western Tibet between India and China. Its height is 6,638 meters, lower than Mount Everest. But what makes Kailash special is not its height, but its shape. The mountain looks almost like a perfect pyramid. It has 4 faces aligned north, south, east, and west. Such symmetry is extremely rare in natural mountains, but this alone doesn't make Kailash extraordinary. 4 religions consider this mountain sacred: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Bon. For thousands of years, people have circumambulated this mountain. This sacred journey is about 52 kilometers long.
Hindus and Buddhists walk clockwise. Jain and Bon followers walk counterclockwise. In Hindu belief, this is the home of Lord Shiva. Buddhists believe Chakrasamvara meditates here. In Jainism, the mountain is known as Ashtapada. In Bon belief, it is the axis between heaven and earth. So why has no one ever climbed this mountain? The answer is not supernatural, but human. The world's greatest climbers say it is climbable, but climbing it is seen as disrespecting faith. In 2001, China imposed an official ban. Since then, climbing has been legally forbidden. Now let's address the time distortion claims. Science says only speed and gravity affect time. Neither is unusual around Mount Kailash. Therefore, time distortion has no scientific proof. All these claims trace back to one person, Ernst Moldashev, who was not a scientist. He was an eye surgeon, not a physicist. His claims were never published in scientific journals. Many scientists have rejected these claims, yet these stories continue to survive, because mysteries always attract humans. But Kailash teaches us another lesson. Not everything is meant to be conquered. Some things are meant to be respected. Kailash represents human humility, and that may be its greatest mystery. But the story of Kailash does not end here. There are 2 strange lakes beside this mountain. One is Mansarovar, the other is Rakshastal. They are located right next to each other. The environment and climate are the same, but the water in both lakes is completely different. Mansarovar has fresh, drinkable water. Fish and plants can survive in it. Rakshastal contains extremely salty water. It cannot be consumed and no life exists in it. People often consider this difference supernatural, but science offers a simple explanation. Rakshastal has no outlet for water. Water evaporates, but salt remains behind. Over centuries, the water became extremely salty. Mansarovar, on the other hand, has an outflow. That's why its water remains fresh. This is a natural wonder, not a miracle. But the legends don't stop here. Some claim Kailash is an artificial pyramid. They say it was built by an ancient, advanced civilization. But geology completely rejects this idea. Its shape formed during ancient ice ages. Glaciers slowly carved the rocks. This process created the sharp pyramid shape. Other mountains around the world look similar, like the Matterhorn in Switzerland, but no one ages faster there. So where did the time mystery come from? Again, from Moldashev's claims. He presented himself as a scientist, but in reality, he was a surgeon. No experiment ever proved time distortion. Neither hair nor nails grew faster.
These were nothing more than stories. Even the Siberian climber's story. No names, no records, no proof. The Russian Mountaineering Federation denied it, but the internet kept the stories alive because sensational stories spread fast. Now let's move to another important mystery. Why does no one climb Mount Kailash? People say invisible forces stop climbers, but the truth is different. The real barrier is faith and respect. Even world-class climbers accepted this. Reinhold Messner was capable, but refused. He said it would disrespect the divine, because some mountains are not meant to be conquered. They are meant to be respected. But a few questions still remain unanswered. Some people report headaches and disorientation. They consider it a sign of hidden forces. But science explains it differently. It is an altitude issue, not a mystery. Above 4,000 meters, oxygen levels drop. Less oxygen reaches the brain. This causes headaches and confusion. Even hallucinations can occur. This happens on many high mountains, but people often attribute it to Kailash. Another popular claim involves NASA. They say NASA detected strange energy there, but this claim is also false. NASA only captured regular satellite images. No unusual energy was ever recorded. This information is available on NASA's website, but rumors always travel faster than facts. Some people even use numbers as proof. In your opinion, does time speed up in the Kailash Mountains or not? Be sure to say it in the comments.